Had a friend drop off this GMC Denali. It has 2 broken spokes on it. Pretty inexpensive bike, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. Use a tape measure here and measure as closely as I can from the hub. Looks to be 11.5 as well. So my next step is going to be taking off not only the tire, the tube, but as well this plastic guard that keeps the chain from falling off to the rim. I'm going to take off the plastic guard. I'm going to unscrew the cap to take the cassette out to be able to get to this broken spoke. Kind of looks like someone's been in here already, because underneath the rim strip is duct tape. This is just a small hobby hammer and a flathead. Put it against the grooves that are here in the ring, and then you can knock it around. There's the ring. This is your first few cogs. Then there's going to be a spacer here, plastic spacer. And I just put them upside down next to me so I don't lose them. This is actually a decent cassette. Plate cassette, not one big, piece. So I'm going to take the whole thing off here and put it to the side. Cannot believe I did not break these little guys. So what I'm using here is called a spoke key. They're inexpensive. I've been taking the ring out. You can see I've got bearings down here. 2 separate bowls for a reason. Bearings go underneath this cap. You can see it's beveled for a ring. And inside there is where the bearings will roll around. And again, with this opportunity of having to take this off, I can show you what makes that noise. These little flappers that push in to free spin, and when you roll forward, they come back out to grip. Free spin, roll forward. Free spin, roll forward. Well, that's pretty lucky right there. I only, out of all of them, dropped one single bearing. Alright, so now I've got the housing for the cassette back on. I'm going to flip this back into place on one side, so it only fits in one particular way. So all I have to do is look for the really big gap and fit the entire cassette back together with all its plates and keepers, risers, plastic risers.